Good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain you exercise 1.2. Okay. So from question number 1, I have already told you to write these tables, and I have already shared video related to international system and Indian numeral system. Here we have done international numeral system. Only till 100,000 you have to learn properly. Okay. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 will be coming in your exam, like it is in till your 10 lakh, or you can say lakh, we can learn in this Indian numeral system. Now here first question is, place the commas in the given number according to the international system of numeration. Also write the number in words. So when he is talking about commas, first thing is he is talking about commas. Then he said that commas according to international numeral system, not Indian numeral system. There is a difference between when you are putting the commas according to international numeral system, and then you have to write in words. So word means that you have to tell the number name. Okay, so fourth thing that you have to do is, according to the Indian international numeral system, you have to write the place values. So from the back we will start, from the back you will always start, that is your right hand. Okay, so ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. In international numeral system we don't have lakh. Okay, so this ones, tens, 100 come in one period. As you can see here, one, this period is this and place values are this. So ones, tens, 100 come in this one period, and 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 come in one period, that is 1,000 period. So here also ones, tens, 100 will be ones period, and 7, 5 and 4 will be 1,000 period. So how you will read this number? Firstly, what you have to do is, you just simply read this number, only this three numbers. So how to read only three numbers? 457, 457, and the period is 1,000. 457,872. Once period we don't write. So 457,000 period is 1,000, and 872. So that will be the number name, and you have to put commas after completing one's period. One's, tens, 100, 100 period, one's, tens, 100. So this one's period is completing, so that's why we are putting comma here. Okay, so 457,000 comma and 872 will be the first answer. Now again we will put place values first. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. How to read this thing? Firstly you have to put the comma. Ones, tens, 100, three numbers, then comma, three numbers, then comma. Like this we always write in international numeral system. Always three number come in one period. Okay, so you have to put comma like this, and from the back you always have to count, not from the front. Okay, so how to read this number? 354. Okay, don't say 300,000. 354, period will always come in the last. 354,678. Okay, so 354,000 and 678 is the number name. Again now ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So how to read this number? Firstly 100, 100, and then three numbers together, 100. Okay, 1,000. The period is 1,000. You have to read all three numbers together. So 100 is 100, and the period is 1,000. We don't have anything here, so 100,000 you can say, 100,000. Okay, now we will read it from here. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, because one's period is completing here, so that's why we have to put comma here. This is new period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 is 1,000 period. So how to read this number? Firstly these three numbers together, 987,678. 987, firstly you have to read this number, then the period. 987,678, you will write like this. Some extra questions I have given you for the practice. And now we will come to question number 2. Write the following numbers in expanded form according to the international numeral system of the numeration. So what is expanded form? When you can actually tell the exact place value of these numbers. Okay, so first of all, if you want to write, you can write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So here you can write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, So afterwards what you can do is you can write the place values of this number. Suppose this is 700,000, so you will write 7 and then how many zeros? 5 zeros. 700,000 as 5 0, 6, 10,000, right? So that's why you can write 6 and 4 zeros, and after that 5,000, so 5 and 3 zeros, 400, so it is 4 and 2 zeros, and 220, so 2 and 0 and 3. But there is one more easy method. What you can do is you can write simple this number, and after that you can count the number of digits, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 zeros you can write like this. So this is 700,000. Then 6, then how many zeros are there afterwards? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. So 4 zeros you can write afterwards. Then you can say 5, then how many zeros are there afterwards? 1 2 3, so you will write 3 zeros. Then there will be 4, then how many zeros? 2 zeros, so you can write 2 zeros. 20, 1 0 because one digit, and 3 you will write like this because we don't have any digit afterwards. Similarly in this question, 1, what will be the number name of this number now? 765,423. Now number name of this number 124, and the period is 1989. And 1, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. Now digits you have to count, so 5 zeros. Then 2, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4, so 4 zeros. Then 4, 1 2 3, so you will write 3 zeros. Then 9, how many zeros? 2 zeros, so you can write 2 zeros. Then 8, 1 0, and then 9, no, nothing you will write. Then 3 4 5 1 2 3, 345,123. Okay, so 3 5 zeros, 4 4 zeros, 5 3 zeros, 1 2 zeros, and 2 1 0 and 3. Okay, number of digits I am counting. Okay, 9, now 9, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros. Then 8 0, sorry, you will write 0 0. If you will not write 0, it is also correct, no problem. You can write 0 also. If you will not write, no problem, because it is given in between. 8 3 zeros, 1 2 zeros, 2 1 0 and 3. Last will be 3. Some extra questions I have given you for practice. Now find the place values and the face value of the color digit according to the international number system. You have to, system of numeration, you have to tell the place value and face value. Okay, so now first number is 2, 1 tens, 100,000. So the place value of this is 2000. You can write in numbers also, you can write in words also. So I have written in number 2 and 30. 2000, 1 2 3 digit is there, so 30. Face value is the number itself, it does not change, so you will write 2 here. So I have written 2. There will be no changes in the face value, always remember this thing. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, sorry, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So the place value is 700,000. So you will write 700,000 like this, or you can write in words also. And the face value will remain same, so that's why we will write 7 here. Now we have 0. Okay, so it is on ones place. Okay, ones place, so we will write 0 here, place value. 0 ones also you can write, face value will also be 0. Okay, now ones, tens, 100, so 100 is the place value of this number, so we will write 900, and then the face value will be remain same, so 9. Some extra questions I have given you for practice. Now question number 4. So the question number 4 here is, make a place value chart for following numbers according to international system of numeration. Okay, so we have this numbers given, and you have to make the place value chart. So I have made a columns of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Like this you have to make a column, because this is the number name till 100,000 we are doing, so that's why we will make 100,000. Now you will start putting this number from behind. So as this is ones place, 8 is on one place, so we will put it 8 in ones column. 9 is at tens place, so 9 in tens column. Then we have 8 at 100 place, so that's why 8 in 100 column. Then 7 is in 1000 place, so 7 in 1000. And 6 is on 10,000, so 6 is 10,000. And 5 is at 100,000, so 5 at 100,000. Again you will start from the back, so number name will be 567,898. Okay, 6 from the back ones, and then the 6 tens, then this 700 column, then this 8,000 column, 7 10,000 column, 8 100,000 column, 878,766. Now 9 ones column, 8 tens column, 700 column, 8 thousand column, 7 10,000 column, 1 100,000 column. The 0 ones column, tens 0, then 100 also 0, then 1000 also 0, then 10,000 also 0, and this 3 you will write in 100,000. So 300,000 is the number name of this number. Some extra questions I have given you for practice. Question number 5 and question number 6 also I have given you some questions to practice. Okay, so in question number 5 what we have to do is, you can simply do it in the this book, and then afterwards you can practice in the notebook. Okay, so write each of this number in figure according to the international system of numeration. So this is the question. Now what you can do is to firstly read out the number name 856,455. Okay, so you will 800 is the first number. 800,000 means you have to make the column till 100,000, right? So we will write the place values first: 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, tens ones. Then you will start putting the number here. 800 it is 1,000 columns, so obviously it is 100,000, so 8 at 100,000. Then you have 56,000, right? So 5 at 10,000, 5 at 10,000, because 5 plus 10,000 is 5 and 10,000, 5 10,000 is 50. Okay, so here 50,000, so 5 at 10,000 and 6 at 1,000. Okay, then you will come at this 400, so 4 at 100 place, 50, so 5 not 50, 5 you will write at tens place, and 5 you will write at ones place. Okay, now 600,000 600,000, so again it is 100,000, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, tens one. So we have 6 at 100,000, so there is one mistake. Yes, 600, so we have written 6 at 100,000. Then we don't have any number at 10,000 place, we don't have any number at 1,000, 100 and tens place. Simply he has given 600,001, and 1 is at ones place, so ones place we will write 1. Okay, now 476,200, right? So again 100,000 we are having, so 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, tens ones. 100,000 we are having 4, so we will write 4. Then we have 76,000, so 7 and 6 at 7 at 10,000, 6 at 1,000. Not 200, we don't have any number at tens and ones, so we will simply write 200 at 100 place value. Okay, now we have 900, now we have 922,026. Okay, let me do it for you people, how to do it. We have 900, right? So we will write place value from 100,000, 10,000, 1,000. Okay, then we will write 100, tens 1. Now we have 900, so we will write 9 at 100,000 place value 22. 22 means 2 at 10,000 and 2 at 1,000 place value 26. So it means we don't have any number at 100 place value. So you will write 0 at 100 place value, tens at 2 and 6 at ones. So the number here I have got is 922,026. So that is the number name that I am getting. Okay, so question number 6, let me go to question number 6 now. Identify the system of numeration for each number, then write the number according to the other system of numeration. One is done for you. Okay, so this number is given, like as you can see here, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We have 10 column and there is one more comma. So we don't have comma in international numeral system here, because 3 number comes here, 3 2 are coming. So you can say this is Indian numerals, Indian numeral system, so we will write Indian. Okay, other system of numeration is international. After Indian we have international. So how to write this number in international form? You just simply remove this comma. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So you will put the comma here. Now here ones, tens, 100, we have ones, sorry, ones, tens, 100, and 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, because here is only one comma, there is no comma here. So three digits always come in international, so that's why I have written international. Other system of numeration is Indian. And how to write this number in Indian? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, simply you have to put the comma and it will become Indian system. And this is lakhs. Okay, now we have this system, ones, tens, 100, again they look 3 2. So if two digits are coming and then comma is coming, so it is Indian, so that's why you have to write Indian system. Other system will be international, and over there we have three digits in one period, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, simply you have to put the comma. So now next number you have this. So again we have three digit in this, so you can say this is international numeral system. And other system of numeration is Indian. And how to write this number in Indian form? 767. There will be no change in ones period. Okay, then you will write 9 and 7, two digits, and the one digit for lakh. Okay, there will be a comma for here, 3 2 2 2, like this it goes in Indian numeral system. So that's it, students. I've given you some extra questions to practice in notebook, so please do it. I hope this exercise 1.2 is clear to everyone. Okay, so 1.2 we have completed now. So on next Monday we will start with comparing and odd leading numbers. Bye bye, students, have a good day.